free up disk space. There are times when our computers get so full of files that we need to get rid of some in order for it to keep running smoothly. Our hard drives begin to look like this. Things are out of order, things are messy, things are full and cluttered. So I'm going to show you some tools that you can use to clean up your hard drive without wasting time. The first one is Windows Disk Cleanup Tool, and the second one is called CC Cleaner. It's an amazing free application that cleans your computer of files that you don't need, and it even locates duplicate files that you can delete, saving you tons of space. I'm going to show you how to use both of them right now. In order to use the Disk Cleanup tool, I'm first going to go to the Start menu. Then I'm going to click on the computer to see my hard drive. Your hard drive is going to be labeled C, and to bring up Disk Cleanup, I'm going to right-click and click on Properties. The Disk Cleanup button is right here next to this diagram of your hard drive space. Click Disk Cleanup. After you click this button, it's going to calculate how much space you can actually free up. On my computer, it doesn't show very much at all because this is a new installation of Windows 7 for me. But for you, there's probably going to be a lot of cleanup that you can do. Another way for you to refresh this is to click the Clean Up System Files button. That will refresh, and sometimes you can find extra files you didn't find before. To do disk cleanup, simply click OK and press Delete Files. At the end, all those files will have been deleted. I'm now going to show you how to use CCleaner, which is a free tool that allows you to clean your computer and also delete duplicate files. CCleaner can check any of these locations as well as whichever other ones you want to check. If I press Analyze, we'll see that CCleaner can find files Windows can't. And to clean them out, we're going to click Run Cleaner. And just like that, it deletes all those files. Another great tool is CCleaner's Duplicate Finder. You can analyze your hard drive, which I have it set to our C drive. Remember, that's our hard drive. I'm going to search for any file that is a duplicate of another. It found all of these duplicates, and it could potentially save me quite a bit of space, but it won't delete files that are essential for an application to run, only files that it doesn't need. You can select the ones you want to delete that are duplicates, and you simply press the Delete button. The best thing about CCleaner is that it runs in the background and it's consistently checking to see when your computer needs to be cleaned. If it notices your computer is getting a little messy, it'll send you a notification prompting you to clean up your computer. Now you know how to use Windows Disk Cleanup Tool and CCleaner to keep your hard drive free and running quickly.